In this episode of Valve House, we're going to be changing the roof moulds on the EP3. So, as you can see on the top of the EP3 here, these roof moulds are starting to get a little bit worn, a little bit grey. They're not really bad, they're actually alright condition. But we picked up some brand new ones from JDM tours. They're genuine Honda parts. Really quick turnaround, we got them in about a day or two. So that was really good. Quick delivery. So we're gonna pop these ones off. I'm pretty sure it's a straightforward job. You just slide off and clip them and stuff, and replace them with these brand new ones. They look really good. It's just all the little things that add up and make your car look really nice and complete. So we're gonna pop these ones off and put these ones on, and now we're gonna get into it now. I'll start at the back. There we go. It's pretty easy. So you just slide it back and it lifts up. So we'll peel it out now. It's actually really grimy and dirty in there. It's disgusting. Look at all that dirt falling off. Alright, roof mold one off. As you can see, next to the genuine ones. These ones are a lot shinier and darker. These are sort of worn and faded. So it's good to change it. Might get a vacuum and vacuum all that gunk out. If you can see, there's so much dirt built up in here, all dust and crap. It's all, as you can see on my finger, all black, dirty. So I'll go get the vacuum and give it a vacuum out. So I've got a flat screwdriver here. I'll show you how much dirt's actually in here. So if I just grab a little bit out, look at all that gunk. That's all in the rail, all in there. So I've got a dry brush here just to loosen all the dirt. Then I've got a soapy bucket there, and I've got another brush down there. And I'm gonna soap it all up, get all this gunk out, and then replace the roof moulds. Alright, so we just finished cleaning this side. As you can see, it's awesome in there now. Compared to this side over here, there's cake dirt all in it. It's disgusting. So really happy with how this turned out. It's great. So now we're going to do that to the other side and then put the moulds on. Into here a little bit more on this end, and then I'll hose it off. Alright, so I just gave this a shimmy out, as you can see. All clean in here, so we're going to pop these on. So all you're going to do is just sit it in there. Yep, that's the right way. And then as you can see underneath here, it's the simple mechanism, and there's a little screw-like thing in the channel there, and you've just got to line it up so it's in there, and then push it forward so it slides onto the windscreen. So I'll do that now. So just sit it on the top, and then slide it under the windscreen. Look at that, in perfect. And then all you got to do is work your way back, give it a little bit of tension, and just push it in. Just like that. And then when you're about halfway, go to your back one. And you want to clip that one in, slide it in the exact same way, pull it back, and then just push the rest in. And that looks awesome. Alright, roof moulds in. They look awesome. So we're going to grab the old ones in and see if we can cut them or make them fit onto my car, because my ones are really bad. These are about a 7 out of 10. My car's probably about a 2 out of 10. They're really bad at the moment. They look nearly white. That's how grey they are. So we're going to see if we can reuse these and make some for my car. Alright, so we just test fitted the EP3 moulds, and unfortunately they're just a bit too skinny. And we don't want to put them in there because if it leaks, it won't be good. So if it doesn't fit, it doesn't fit. So we're just gonna order some new ones maybe somewhere. So these will just have to stay like this for the moment. Thanks for watching this episode of Valve House.